Hello, thank you so much for getting us to 100 subscribers. It's April 15th, tax day, and what a great tax day it is. I am super excited, very jazzed. Thank you so much, members of YouTube Bootcamp Meetup. Thank you so much, our first masterminds, Jeremy and Tish Bowling, for all of your fabulous followers subscribing to our channel as well. And I am so looking forward to the next 100, the 100 after that, and finally hitting 1,000 and well beyond. So thank you all so very much for getting us to our first 100 subscribers. And you know what that means? We can now apply to YouTube to have our name, literally YouTube Bootcamp, on our URL. So look for that because we're going to apply for that today. Thank you guys so much. Ciao.